In this video, we're walking you through creating a beautifully layered cold processed soap using Plum Rose and Patchouli fragrance oil. We'll guide you through each step to help you create a professional quality finish. Let's get started by creating the lye solution. Add 143 grams of sodium hydroxide into 380 grams of distilled water, gently stirring until it's fully dissolved. As the lye mixes, it will heat up quickly and release fumes. Set it aside in a safe place and allow it to cool. While that is cooling, move on to melting the oils. In a large heat-proof bowl, combine 500 grams of olive oil, 300 grams of coconut oil, and 200 grams of shea butter. Heat gently on a low setting until everything is fully melted and smooth. Once melted, leave the oils to cool until they're roughly the same temperature as your lye solution. This step is important for proper emulsification. Now it's time to combine. Carefully pour the cooled lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, pulse in short bursts, alternating with hand stirring until the mixture reaches a light trace. At this stage, add your fragrance, 30 grams of Plum Rose and Patchouli fragrance oil. Stir gently but thoroughly to fully incorporate it. Next, we'll split and colour the soap batter. Divide the mixture evenly into 5 jugs. Add titanium dioxide to one for a white base. In another, mix a small amount of light pink mica. For a stronger pink, add more mica to the next jug. In the fourth, add a dark mica powder, and in the final jug, use a higher amount of dark pink mica for your deepest shade. Now for the pour. Starting with the darkest shade, pour the soap batter into your mould. Continue layering from darkest to lightest until the mould is filled to the top. To finish, sprinkle dried red superior rose petals over the surface. Gently press them down so they sit neatly. Now let it rest. Cover the mould and leave it undisturbed for 24 to 48 hours. Once firm, remove the soap and cut it into bars. You should get around 7 to 9 bars depending on size. Finally, the curing process. Place your soap bars on a rack with space between each one and leave them to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. And that's it. Your handcrafted soap is complete. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more soap making videos.